Alright guys, we're on the Poos one right here. As you guys know, I've been waiting on something to come into the mail. Dan, hold on, not yet. I was gonna unbox this thing when I got it to the house in front of Slauch and make it look really cinematic. But it's raining outside and I'm not trying to do it tonight. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have Dan unbox this thing in front of us, and I'm actually really nervous and excited at the same time because this has been a big build-up moment for me. It's like 2 months of waiting. It was like 2 months.
You had to save a lot of pop cans for it.
Yeah, we went and scrapped some pop cans. 2 big 6-gallon bags. There were 55-gallon bags, 6 of those. We got like $23. Big money.
Yeah.
Big money.
Performance people just ain't cutting no breaks nowadays.
Yeah, that's what it is, you know. But here we go. He's got the first cut. Sorry about this video quality, guys. It's really, this phone struggles. Ooh. Oh my Lanta. Hi. Hi. Oh baby. Oh, they give me big old stickers. Woo! Oh, thank you guys. Well, that's exciting. You know it's a good product. Summit don't even do that anymore. Oh, Malanta. Oh. Do you have a 5 of spade?
It's a shutter clutch.
I mean, those look pretty nice. I guess we'll try them, but I don't know. Do you think they'll do anything? I don't think these are going to do very well in the clutch portion of the materialism. I don't know. Them Californians, let me tell you. Dude.
Why didn't they take the bolt step?
I know, what the heck. Man, how am I supposed to put power to it now?
I thought you
Good.
said it was a triple. It looked like there's like 4 or 5.
Golly. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so sexy. It looks so sexy. Can you pull it out? Pull out.
Flywheel stuff look good.
Pull out, Dan. Because it is. That's why I had this. Oh no, this isn't. You can see. See, they reused this, and I asked them to do that because I didn't want to spend, so much money. Oh baby. Oh my gosh, this camera doesn't do it justice. Oh, mother of the Lucifers.
Wire loom again.
No, they didn't. I put blue on there, remember?
Oh yeah.
It was that blue that you gave me.
You gave me my idea now.
Yeah, well no, they actually did that for me the first time. So I did.
Damn, we can't take credit for nothing.
I know, doggone it. Oh my gosh.
That's what a $3,000 clutch is.
This is what an expensive clutch looks like. Ooh.
Hey Ryan,
Oh my
if
gosh.
you're watching this, can we get some sponsors?
Yeah, come on now. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Look, they even have their little emblem on the clutch itself. This freaking camera. Gosh darn it. Come on now. I might have to use... Oh, there it is. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Oh, whoa, mama. Mm. Is it loose?
No.
Gosh darn it. I was going to try to take it apart. Whoa. Ooh, I wonder if they... Oh, they changed my bearing. My throw out bearing. They changed my pilot bearing. Well, my pilot bearing was super like when you turned it, it made noises. Have you ever seen something so expensive in your life? You thought your Malibu blowing up was expensive.
Yeah, I could build a whole motor for what you spent on that.
Oh, God bless. It's actually not too bad. I don't even want to say how much the clutch actually wasn't too bad. It was like $1,600. That's pretty cheap, considering it's a freaking triple disc. Look, there's 1,
So on the,
2,
what'd you get? The adapter plate,
3.
the disc, the pressure plate?
Nope. Yeah, I just got this. He had to make this piece, which is why it's new. Which, honestly, all he probably did was just make this and then make it shorter, and then that's all he did was just drill and tap these. I'm sure, you know, a little bit more went into it, you know, all that mumbo jumbo. Good night. I wonder if my clutch or my throwout, my slave cylinder is going to be able to push it, and my master is going to not like me. I'm going to definitely have to ask him what the torque specs are on these, though. Well, there it is, guys. Super excited. Like I said, it's raining right now. I might decide to put the thing in tonight. I don't know. It's a lot of work to be done.
And in your car trailer?
It is in the car trailer, but then I gotta get the roller out and the hoist and then put it in the car. I know. I might just.
You call yourself a race car guy.
Yeah, I know. I am.
Ain't you got one of them canopies?
I got a canopy.
Those canopy over the back end.
I guess I could. Shh. Damn.
You got excuse for trying to get your work done.
Well, this will be a good moment. Not a. Oh, you're too big. Yeah. You're lazy. There it is. It's a long time wait. We should find some new grippage that we didn't have before. The clutch, the transmission should have grip. The tires, probably not after it goes to the transmission because this is going to be very hard on it. And these are not sprung. So it's all the friction, all the frictions. Because a buddy of mine was actually like, "Did you get a sprung clutch?" No. I don't think there's even any room to do that in here.
Where would they put them?
I know, because it would have to be like that much taller. So he said that it should bolt right to stinking up. So that's exactly.
Housing that deep?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah. Oh, it's deep, Dan. It's a deep dish. It's a deep dish, boy.
You do got that adapter plate.
Yeah, that adapter.
Yes. Everything's sexual with you in this car.
It's a very sexual moment for me. The sexual tension is unreal with this unit right here. I guarantee the Californians, those guys at Kennedy, didn't know that I was going to be rubbing it like this. If they did, they probably...
I hope they don't watch your videos.
They would have put some lube on it. Oh, jeez. Oh, it looks like he raced it up.
In the last time you had it apart.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys don't know what the condition of that last one was. I put my own lube on it.
Molly lube.
God bless. I'm excited. That's it. Well, that'll do it for this unboxing video. We got a freaking clutch and it's so tiny. I wonder how I should have weighed that last one. I guess I could ask Kennedy. I know. No, they're a lot thicker than what the other one was.
Really?
At the end of it.
Yeah, plate to plate is real thin.
It's so thin.
I mean, you wore the bracketry off.
Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm just going to upload this video straight to YouTube just so that you guys get an update as soon as possible. I'm not going to screw around with doing it on the computer or nothing, but you guys can probably not even hear me because the microphone is on the back side of this phone. So that'll do it. You got anything to say, Dan? Other than you're so impressed by all of my friends in California.
I say my life is complete now. I've seen the $3,000 clutch.
Yeah. No, this is actually cheap. You should see the other ones.
How much you got two of them now? $5,000?
Oh, I'd say not that much.
Don't forget to add a Peter. Yeah, don't tell everything because this old lady's gonna see that video.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Alright, guys.
Edit.
I'm not editing nothing. I'm putting it straight up to YouTube. So, that's it. Here we go. Next time you see this clutch, you won't see it because it'll be in the freaking... Well, actually, you'll watch us put it in the car. But regardless, that's it.